necessities. You got like a 2-hour flight on your hands.
Oh, what is that?
Ooh.
Oh,
That's a big catfish.
alrighty. Huge fish, fought hard. It is fat.
One evening as the sun went down and the jungle fire was burning, down the track came a hobo hiking, and he said, boys, I'm not turning. I'm headed for a land that's far away, beside the crystal fountains. So come with me, we'll go and see the big rock candy mountain. In the big rock candy mountain, there's a land that's fair and bright, where the handouts grow on bushes, and you sleep out every night, where the boxcars all are empty, and the sun shines every day. Oh, I'm bound to go where there ain't no snow, where the rain don't fall, the wind don't blow, in the big rock candy mountain. I'll see you all this coming fall in the big rock candy mountain.
Hello everyone, it's a Friday afternoon. I just got done from work and Rob's bringing out the boat. And I'm here at the Pere Fairgrounds. We're about to go do some fishing. And believe it or not, today is 89%. I don't know if you can see that. 89% on the lunar calendar, so we should have a pretty good chance to catch some fish. And this comes right after I missed that muskie last week. Hopefully I have a redemption arc here. And I'm also trying out my new rod I got from Trika. So got a lot of new things going on today. Weather's looking great. Hopefully I don't get sunburned. And if this quality of the video is a little bit lower, it's probably because I had to turn it down to 4K 30 frames per second. Just because shooting in 60 or even, you know, obviously 120 would probably overheat the camera. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy watching, and we'll get right to it. All right, let's do this. So we're gonna start off with this Berkeley Rip and Wrap type lure. Still that the muskie almost ate and like a hot dog last time. So hopefully he wants it again.
What happened?
What happened to it?
I don't know, it's in the bag.
Oh. That's good gold up. Alright guys. I am really anticipating right here. First cast magic, landing a muskie. Here we go.
Alright, it's finally time for me to get set up here and attempt to start fishing. I think I am either going to try the 8-foot diver or the 4 to 5-foot diver crank today. That did me well last time.
Which one looks musky flavored?
Well, they're the exact same one, just dives deeper than the other. I'll just do the one I did last time and see how it goes.
Fish on.
Oh, it knows what's good.
Oh, wow. This is Brittany.
Yay.
Brittany the Sheepshead. Why? I don't know. It's the first name I came up with. Woohoo! He's looking at me. See you later. Oh. Wow. That was something.
I think you just got the boat. Oh yeah. same one.
No! Right. I just caught Brittany, but in honor of Michael Scott.
That's what she said.
It's a pretty bitch. Alright, we're going back in. You're nasty. Who said it's a Kayla day?
I did.
Bob did.
It usually whoever catches the first fish sets the tone for the day. Every time.
Fish. On a big lure. Come on, big game. Oh no.
Yeah!
It's Brittany again. 15 inch. He finally hit drum on this Berkeley ripping rat, but what do we got? We got a let's do a donkey drum. This is donkey drum. All right, he's going back in the water. I could have named it Diddy Booty Drum. Yes, bro. Yes. Get the net. Like that.
Oh, I guess I'll change up the species for the day. Instead of being drum. This will be bongo bass.
Bongo bass. There he is. Yeah. Alrighty.
Alright, nice little 13-inch white bass. Uh-oh, you don't want to play no more.
Oh no.
There it goes. Wow, you really stalemated out for a minute. I didn't even have him out that long.
Sit.
I think it's a big net fish.
I don't know. Oh. It was a big lure.
Watch that anchor line in the front if it tries to run under. It could be. Don't knock it.
It's gonna go under the boat. Yeah, it's going.
I'm gonna raise his back anchor for now. I don't want to risk it.
Oh, oh, oh! It is insane, whatever it is. Holy cow!
No. It's very well.
It's kind of behaving like Luke Sturgeon.
Yeah, yeah. Almost that's what he's got. He's 2 hours fight on your hands.
Oh, what is that?
Ooh.
Oh!
Oh, that's a big
Oh,
catfish.
Holy
That might be the biggest catfish I've ever seen.
Oh man.
That is big. Sorry in advance for your net getting wet.
Get him.
Oh my god. That is the biggest. Holy.
That is crazy. That's the biggest cat I have ever seen. 25 pounds.
Oh my god.
All right. I don't know what kind of fish this is. It's going to be a flathead or a channel.
Well, we'll get it up on screen once we
What was
figure
it?
it out.
25 pound,
25 pound, 30.
33 or 34 inch catfish. We'll have it up on the screen. This is going to be Goliath. Freaking huge fish. Fought hard. It is fat.
That is a beautiful fish.
Look at that thing.
Look at that. Let's get Goliath back in there.
Actually, we should probably put him in the net. I don't want to just flop him back in there. All right. All right. Breathe, dude.
Oh, he's ready to go.
Are you ready?
Hey, he's already kicking off. That's a cool shot.
Oh boy. Only at the whistleblower channel, guys. You catch big fish like that.
Wow.
Alrighty.
Amazing.
Don't go for it.
I wasn't trying to. I thought he was going that way.
We need to catch something.
Say what you just did.
I didn't stop it. I probably would have hit it.
Oh, I just cast it.
It's back here by me.
Oh, thanks.
Good job.
I think my camera died. This is Peter Drumfin.
Oh yeah.
Nice little drummy hit close to the boat again. Well, a couple battle scars on him, but
Nice.
He's looking. Here, little guy. He wants it so bad.
sorry, I think he's gone.
Aw. Got his hopes up.
Kayla, how you doing?
Hungry. I'm good.
And that's why I bought you snaps.
We moving, Rob?
Yep.
Sun's out now. It's gonna get to 80 degrees or high 70s pretty soon. Let's hope we catch something. I don't know if we can catch something bigger, but hopefully we do. Oh. Oh yeah. What the?
Isn't it?
Hello?
Big man.
Is it Goliath again?
Oh.
Oh! Nice size.
All right, guys. This is a big sheephead, a bit way out there. Put up a hell of a fight. This is going to be a General Shepherd. Look at that guy.
That's one less loose end.
General Sheepshead. Oh. Alrighty, let's get him back in. Hopefully I don't die trying to do it. Be free, dude. There he goes. Nice job.
Freaking help me.
Alright, it's about, I think 12:30. Sun's hanging high in the sky and we're not catching fish anymore. We did get a variety of fish and quite an abundant number of sheephead at least. Obviously that huge catfish was probably the best catch of the day. And it was fun for everyone to try to get in the boat and basically maneuver around, switch seats. But like, yeah, next week is the start of muskie season, so we'll be out here. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed and we'll catch you next time.